ahead.
Oh.
You missed it! How'd you miss that shot? Do it again. Nice shot, baby. What's your favorite sport now?
Golf.
Golf? You're playing golf in a David Ortiz shirt?
Yeah.
What kind of golfer are you? Do it one more time.
I'm Tiger Woods.
Oh, you're Tiger Woods?
Yeah. Put it on right here.
Put it on the golf tee.
Thank you.
There you go.
Should I do it to you?
You're going to hit it to me? Okay, go quick. Ah!
Did I make it?
Nope, not quite.
Not cool.
Hey, look at the camera and say bye.
Bye.